Shelbie and the Shelter Squad don't know what to do. They need so many things to help their friends have a happy holiday, too. They need blankets, towels, bowls, food and treats, litter and boxes, soap, crates and bleach, newspapers, trash bags, office supplies, and of course toys for furry girls and boys. Shelbie was worried, but Fox knew what to do. They called Garcia Subaru. They worked out a deal and got a bigger ride. Now they need your help to stuff the inside. Please drop off your item and help out the crew. Happy holidays from the Humane Society and Garcia Subaru.